Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I started this journal back in April. I posted a poll in the community tab and you guys voted for it along with, of course, Greg this journal that is almost completed. 642 Things to Draw is a book with a lot of drawing ideas. It's useful if you have a creatives blog, or if you want to improve your drawing skills, or if you are just dipping your toes into a new hobby. It's a great exercise to draw random things to get your eyes used to different shapes and shades of colors within the objects. And when you are ready to make a big piece, you will have practiced a lot. I made individual videos for each prompt. I left the playlist in the info box. And also I will be making compilations from time to time. You can watch the first one with 21 drawings, link below. Now, for the month of October, I'm gonna be posting daily drawings as a challenge to commemorate the spooky season. I think this will be the first time I managed to complete one of these drawing challenges. I tried for years, but always something comes up. But this time I'm very organized. Today's drawing is a melting candle. I'm using Faber Castell polychromos colored pencils and Sakura's white jelly roll pen for highlights. I always begin these drawings with a lighter color because if you make a mistake, you can fix it really easy, or cover it up with a darker color. Then I build up color by color, blending them and paying attention to contrast. My hand still hurts from this page. This will probably be the last drawing with a fill background for a while. Once I finish, I go over the drawing with a white pen to make highlights more visible. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos, please help me revive my channel with a like or share and subscribe, because it has been kind of dead for a while. That's it for today. See you next time.